Subscribe to MalvaniMan YouTube channel for more such content, and like our Instagram page.
So today we are unboxing wireless Bluetooth keyboard from brand called iClever. Model number is BK10. So let's unbox. So, this is the keyboard. Let's see what else we got. User manual and charging cable. That's it. Let's keep box aside. This is user manual. We also got keyboard protector film. Let's remove from this cover. So this is the final look of keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.